Hi, welcome to Sean's Kitchen. For today's recipe, we will take a pan and add 6 dry red chilies. And along with this, half a teaspoon of peppercorn, 2 cloves, 2 green cardamoms, 1 cinnamon stick, and 1 tablespoon of coriander seeds. After adding all of these spices, I'm now going to dry roast this for 3 minutes on low flame. After 3 minutes, we will now switch off the flame and keep this aside to cool down. Once the spices have cooled down, here we will take a grinder jar and add the spices to it. And along with these spices, here we will also add 6 garlic cloves and 1/4 teaspoon of dry ginger powder, which you can alternatively substitute with chopped ginger. We will now grind all of these ingredients together and then keep this aside. After that, in a pan we will add 1 tablespoon of oil, and to this oil we will add 1 medium-sized onion, and 2 slit green chilies. After adding the onions and the green chilies, we will now fry it for 3 to 4 minutes on medium flame. After 4 minutes, we will now add the ground spices from earlier. And after adding all of these ground spices, we will now let this fry for another 1 minute on low flame. After a minute, to the pan we will add half a cup of coconut milk, one cup of water, and half a teaspoon of vinegar. We will now mix this well and let this cook for another 4 minutes. After 4 minutes, here we will add 1 tablespoon of tamarind juice, the salt, and 500 grams of kingfish. After adding all of this, here you can gently mix this. And here, if you want the gravy to be slightly more thinner, you can add an additional cup of water. After mixing it well, here we will cover it with a lid and let it cook for another 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, you can now remove the lid. And here, you can garnish it with some coriander leaves. And after that, your dish is ready to be served. So if you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to click on the like button and subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much.